This is the Signal Flow project for Audio 112, and I'm going to start with step 1 by starting my loop, hitting play.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
And now I'm going to go make a new song. Hit a new song, yes. It's good, yeah. Okay, new song. And now I'm going to record a minute of this. I'm going to arm both of these and record. Okay. So this is going. Here's what my board looks like. Yep.
Drop the bass.
30 seconds, so a little bit more.
Yeah.
15 more seconds. And you guys are good. Okay. I hit stop on both the HC24 and the CD player.
Yeah.
I have telepathy. And okay. Now I'm gonna put the board into mix mode. I'm gonna set the pre's to about noon. Gonna turn stereo master to 0. Gonna hit IP rev and line on these two. And what's happening? Why is that freaking out? It's the... That's weird. I think I'm getting feedback. I don't know. I'll unarm these real quick. And then put it in mix mode. Yay, better. Okay. That was feedback, I guess. Okay. So, now I'm going to hit left, right, and it should be in mix mode. So if I go back to the beginning and hit play. Yep. Now I get audio. Okay. So yeah. Yeah. So these faders are affecting the volume instead of monitor faders and whatnot. So now I'm going to solo one of the tracks, and to first do that I need to get to the solo master, make sure that's a decent level, and then hit solo. Now this is soloed. And now. So, those are the solos. And then mute, you just hit mute, and that mic's muted. Now to boost the highs on one, I'll do it on this mic, so I'll get rid of that. Put the EQ in, which just turns it on. And it ended, so now I go back to the beginning and play. So I'll go to my top EQ and just turn that up and hit that. So yeah, that reduces the highs and this raises the highs. Same sort of thing. I'll do it on the other track this time though. I'll do it over here. EQ in. And I'll raise the lows on this. This one right here raises the subs, and this will get rid of the subs. Or you can do it in the low mids. This one here, setting the amount, and this one setting what frequency. So I'll set it around like 700 and raise that up a whole bunch, and then lower it a whole bunch. That's really short. Okay, back to the beginning. Play you again. Let me see. Okay, I'll bring both of them back now. And I'll compress one of the tracks. So I'll send first track to a compressor, comp A1, and then I'll adjust the compressor over here, set the ratio 4:1, and then I'll set the threshold higher so it doesn't compress as much, and that's okay. The little boops are really inconsistent, so can't really compress that well. But now I'll send that back to the board. Comp A out one to tape in one, and that'll play through the monitors now. That little compression. Now I'll send the second track, HD out to comp A in 1. I can't really tell if you see what I'm doing. And then I'll just go ahead and send that back right now. This is harder with one hand. Okay, and then the gate's over here. So everything below this threshold will get cut. So I'm going to gate the crap out of it. So yeah, it's all gated, but there. So everything below that is getting basically destroyed. Now delay. This is on the Lexicon, so I need to turn up the aux masters. I'll turn up 3 and 4 a lot, and I'll restart the loop again. And yeah, and then delay is on 3, so I'll turn this way up, and then I'll do it over here too. I'm not sure why that's not working. Well, go back here. There. I forgot to turn up the effects returns. So yeah, now you hear the delay. I had to turn up the aux masters and the effects returns. And yeah, that should be it. And now I can go ahead and delete everything. So that's the last step. Delete it. Yup and yup. And that's the end. Okay, bye.